Tecno Y2. So that's the thin wire, black to the power. When you done it like it, it is not easy to do it, but when you try your hands on it, you can complete it. It is hard and even difficult to do. So I'm now arranging it. That's the third tag, the screen cord. So it is water damage. It's been done. So you need to do a jam connection using your masking tape to cover where the jam. It is difficult, but sometimes if it is your first time, it's not easy for you because you have already been doing it, so you know how it is. That's it. You can subscribe.